I'm Yzhar Charuzi, cardiologist from Smidt Heart Institute in Los Angeles. And my topic today was sex differences between men and women in relation to exercise duration. Years ago, we found out that on a treadmill, women exercise much less than men. They reach their heart rate very quickly. We had two studies that were actually made on patients, and we did not know if this is going to apply also to normal population. So we recently found a trove of 16,000 people that were followed for 16 years at Chaim Shiba Medical Center at Tel HaShomer in Israel, and we utilize the data to continue our study. And we found out that our original observation that women exercise time on the treadmill is shorter than men holds for a normal population. In addition, we found out that long-term follow-up of 16 years shows that coronary vascular disease occurrence is much higher in men, correctly 6 times more in men and women, despite this shorter exercise duration. Short of proving our point, we are trying to find a physiologic basis. And one of the possibilities is that the hemoglobin in women is significantly lower than men. But this is only a theory, and we will have to do more studies in order to find the physiologic basis for this difference between men and women.